Hi, so I'd like to show you how I use the CamScanner app on my phone. You see it is the only app in the top left corner with a white CS. So what you'll need to do is click there, and when it opens up, I see this screen. I'm not sure what you'll see, but the thing is to focus on the green circle at the bottom with the white camera. This is what you need to click on. This brings you to your screen. Now notice it said single and the word single was highlighted above it, but now I'm on batch. That's for multiple pages, but we're only going to scan one page, so we need to go back to single. So here's my page, and I'm just hovering my phone over it, and I'm going to click the camera button, and you'll see the flash. You have to kind of hold on to this for a while till you hear that click noise, and then you can see your scanned pages, and you have that green outline that in this case is perfect, but sometimes I've gotten this weird outline that looks like this. So I just drag the corners to the actual corner of the page, and the magnifying glass makes that super easy. And now I've got the scan I'm ready to have. So the green box with the white arrow in the bottom right corner, I need to go ahead and click on that button. And now it's scanned the page. I'm on magic color. I can see a little bit of black stuff off to the left. But ultimately, all of my handwritten stuff looks good. I'm kind of scanning around to make sure it all got recorded correctly. So that's what I'm going to want to use. I could select one of the other color grids, but I think what I have is good. You know, here's original. It goes back to my purple pen version. Or I could scroll to grayscale so that you don't see my purple pen. But I usually just stick with magic color. So now in the bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to click the green box with the white check mark saying I'm ready to use this item. At the bottom middle, you see a share. I don't know how to upload this right into Beachboard, so I usually just use the email option and email this to myself and then hop on my computer and from my computer upload to Beachboard. But I also want to show you how you can do this in a batch mode setting. So if I go back to the main screen and click on the camera button, I'm going to slide over from single to batch. And if you see, here's my stack of papers, and they're all messy, and you can see the page behind it. So I'm actually going to set this aside. I've tried to straighten it up, but it didn't totally work. So I'm just going to scan one page at a time. Sorry, my hand's so crooked. Remember, hold it until you get that click. Now I'm going to move my next page over, click, and let's say I just had the 3 pages to scan. So here we go. Okay, notice off to the right of the camera, you can see that red circle with the white 3 in it because I've scanned all 3 pages. So I can go ahead and click there to go ahead and look at the scans. So that's the first page. Okay, seems okay. I'm going to swipe left. That's the second page that I scanned. That's the first page, and that's horrible quality. I need to get rid of it. So in the bottom left-hand corner, I'm going to go ahead and hit delete because I can't read that page and I need to rescan it. But I'm only going to delete this page. Now you can see there's only one of 2 pages. So I need to hit the top left to go back to the camera. I'm going to stick in batch mode because that's where it was. Scan this and hold it as steady as I can. That didn't look good. Let's do it one more time. Okay, I got a little bit closer. That seems better, but I did scan it twice. So there's one version, and let's go look at the other version. Oh yeah, my corners are a little offline, but that's okay. That was that other scan I took that was bad, so let me delete that page. So now it says 3 out of 3, and that is a good looking page, good looking page. Whoops, that was me spazzing out when I was trying to swip pages, sorry. And the first page. Okay, so I'm good to go. So back to the bottom right corner, green box, white check mark. And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit email. So I'll have a single file with 3 pages versus having 3 files to upload.